Hey guys, it's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am known as the female filmer. I make train videos, and guess what? As I just started filming this, a train is going by. How on brand. That must be the local, because that was really short. Distractions. Okay, so I'm in Ames right now, and I'm gonna go to the model train store because why not? I got off early and I have time. Also, going back in time to my prior videos, if you saw the video where I went over my model train collection, then you know I said I really want to start building a layout. Well, guess what? I didn't start building a layout, but I was given a layout. One of my dad's friends, it's a car guy, and then he actually volunteers sometimes with Midwest Central as a conductor. He and his kids built a layout sometime in like the 70s, 80s. It's an HO layout, and he's wanting to get rid of it, and my dad heard and knew that I wanted a layout, so I now have a layout. It's perfect. Past time travel Lauren will insert clips now. So the layout is a 5x8 sheet of plywood, I believe, somewhere around there. I haven't actually measured it. This is just guesstimation. And it's perfect because it's just like the paper tarpy grass and then track. So I basically have a blank canvas. I do need to do some rewiring. I have no electrical skills, so this will be fun. This will be a new adventure. But I have a blank canvas to work with, and that's fantastic because now I can actually start getting things and have somewhere to put them. And that's super exciting because there's a train show tomorrow in Des Moines, which will be later in this video for you. And yeah, I can actually get stuff and have somewhere to put it. I'm super excited. I don't have the layout in my possession currently. It's too big to fit into either my car or my husband's car, so my dad has to bring it with his truck. So now I'm at the mercy of my father bringing my layout. Hopefully this weekend. Fingers crossed. Okay, so I didn't find anything I was looking for, but that's okay, even though I wasn't really looking for anything in particular. So I am making the Walther's Golden Valley Depot in HO scale because I picked this depot because it looks very similar in architecture to a lot of CB&Q depots that were in Southeast Iowa. The Hillsboro Depot, which became a CB&Q depot, has a window there, door, bay window, and then the freight door was originally on the front. It got moved at some point to the side, but was originally on the front. So, yeah, that's what we're building. I've only built a tiny signal tower, so this is a big project for me. We will see how it goes. morning. It is Saturday morning. We are in downtown Des Moines and we are heading up to what is known as Hy-Vee Hall because there is a model train show. It's a little chilly this morning.
Oh.
Having fun yet?
No. Yes.
It's great because this is the first time I'm going and I actually will have a layout, so I can actually get things I can use. It's fantastic. We got here too early, so now we must wait.
What are you looking for?
I don't know.
Wait, what?
I said I feel like I need a co-op. First big purchase made. It's hard to see. I bought an engine house for 20 bucks. Now I don't have to build one.
Ain't got no doors.
That's fine. It's fine.
She used up all her money. What'd you buy?
I bought an engine house, and then I bought basically a full freight train of 20s era CB&Q, 20s, 30s. Is that what we're going with?
Sure.
Okay. I found something I need for our basement. Please hold. It's a giant Burlington sign. There's so much Burlington stuff. If anyone knows of where a Blue Globe Burlington is, hit me up. Tall Blue Globe. I have almost a full color set of Burlington and I just need blue.
Oh my. She stole them.
They're mine. Okay, here are the cars I got today. So, CB&Q Woodbox car, Burlington Reefer, Burlington CBQ hopper. This is actually a Santa Fe hopper. It's nice and weathered. And then a wood CB&Q caboose. So, nice additions to my Burlington collection. And Santa Fe. Thank you guys for watching as I did a bunch of model train related things. And if you enjoyed what you saw, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to post weekly or every other week. Probably will be more weekly as spring and summer comes on. In winter, I don't do as much. But now that it's starting to get warmer, I do a lot more train things. So, trying to get on a consistent schedule. But anyway, thank you for watching. Have a great weekend. Or weekday. Whenever you watch this.